Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Shio from Sapporo, Ichiban. They've got a little range that has to do with this company called Kuze, Fuku and Company. I'm really not familiar with that, but I'm familiar with noodles. So how are you doing? I am doing quite well. Thank you for asking. Last night was the presidential debate. I'm guessing it's going to be the only one. Wow. All I can say is I'm glad I don't have any pets, because you know what the man said? The man said that they're eating the pets. Gangs, pets, tigers, bears, oh my. It was just ridiculous. This guy is unhinged, folks. Save yourselves. Save America. Wow. But I have a feeling that they haven't come out with the polls yet from it, but I have a feeling that was not good for Mr. Guy's chances, you know. I could be wrong, but it was really strange and unhinged and definitely honestly disappointing to see a man act like that, a grown man act like that in public, especially in such an auspicious occasion. Shook her hand, that's nice. That's standard. At least he had the courtesy to do that, but I don't know. What a weird thing. We watched in awe. I drank the last of my Fireball cinnamon whiskey with Pepsi. It was quite nice. And it was just like, we were just sitting there in just awe of, like, she did great. Harris did absolutely phenomenal. And Trump was just all over the place. It's like, no, it's like he came up with so many things that are so obviously false, and his only defense against her was she's lying, she's lying, she's lying, she's lying, she's a liar, she's lying. It's like, dude, you're full of crap. So it was really quite a thing to watch. And then after that, I watched the Washington State governor's debate. The guy who I figure will win, Bob Ferguson, Democrat. I live in Washington State. I mean, for the 2016 thing, I didn't like Trump. I've not been a fan of Trump. I guess I've had Trump derangement syndrome for the last 8 years. And I really didn't like Hillary Clinton. Would my vote have made much of a difference back then? Democrats carry the state. This is never going to be a red state in presidential elections. It's be really, really hard pressed unless you had somebody crazy that the DNC picked as a candidate. That was like so bad. I just didn't like Clinton based on the whole. I'm very liberal, I'm Democrat, and I didn't like the whole those people are bad. It's like you're supposed to represent all the people. I just didn't like her. Which is a bummer, because my mom was like all about Hillary Clinton. All about it. And it was like right around then is when my mom died, and I felt like, But was it then? No, that was 2016. She voted for Clinton. That's right. She was still doing okay. It was the 2020 that I was trying to sway her to vote for Bernie in the primary. She's like, no, I'm having it. So in the general, I voted for for Biden. I always liked Biden. But the debate last night was interesting. It was a very big contrast because Biden, he's in failing health. He's old, and it's like, yeah, it's time to pass the torch. He at least did that. But Trump may be old, but he seems to be kind of firing on a lot of cylinders, but now they're kind of like all over the place cylinders. I don't know, but yeah, enough politics. It was just a really, really big night over here watching that. So here's our Kuze, Fuku and Company chicken forward. God, who said chicken forward? I thought that was really a funny way to put things. This is a chicken forward ramen. But here's the noodle. Okay. Chicken and vegetable, or chicken and seafood. I'm getting like definitely the squid aspect. If this was the one that had that. That's not bad. Ooh. What have we here? Is that cabbage? I'm gonna try another bite. I just got back from going out walking. It's not bad. It's a pretty decent cup ramen. Now, we're going to try out the new bowl again. And this one, the last time I used it was for a yakisoba. And it worked pretty good. Let's see. There we go. Now, will you fit? Oh! Ow, God. There's a lot. Wow. Extra points for you. Look at that. Look at all that cabbage. Cabbage makes me sing. Cabbage. That's impressive. Wow. Oh. I have one of the smaller pieces of chashu I'll lay on. Like Leon Musk. Okay, I'll back off the political crap. I don't know, I think I probably have lost some viewership because I'm really into politics, but, you know, it's like, I'm cooking all these noodles. Oops. Yeah, that kind of got a little singed. A little scallion. I'm trying to think what the ideal style of ramen will be for this little bowl. I mean, it's perfect for cups. I mean, look at that. No, you can pony up to that over there. Some seeds. I think we're good. Cloudy, cooler weather. Nice. Kind of looks like a TV set. Well, watch the rotating boob tube. There you go. Boob it up. Well, here's another one that came from Nakama Noodles box from Miaomao. Go to miauboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is ramen shop miso. Sapporo miso? Yeah. And I swore I've had this before, but I guess not. There's a store up in Canada called... I can't remember. We haven't been in Canada in so long, but they had a lot of these kind of varieties up there. Kind of spendy, but yeah, I swear I got that one. Maybe not. Anyways, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Oz, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.